Well, I had some more parts fall off the truck this evening. I'm going to do a quick recap of what I've got going on. Went ahead and deleted the factory fuel filter housing, the test port, and all this other fuel lines that's kind of unnecessary if you've got a lift pump. So what I did is bought a high flow kit to plumb the fuel directly from my fast fuel system into the CP3. Now you can't really see, but I bought a fast fitting, and I'm not sure, I'll try to link the part number, but it's just a quick connect to hose fitting, and then 1/2-inch fuel line. And then with the kit I bought, it's PPE high flow CP3 kit that includes a reducer from 1/2-inch to 3/8 barbed reducer, and then it goes down from a 3/8 hose down to the fitting that you get with the kit down here that is threaded on one end and barbed on the other end. But that will send the fuel directly from your lift pump into your CP3. Some other stuff that I've got going on is it's hard to see. Let's see if I can get that to focus. There, I ported my fittings, both the driver's side and passenger side rail. I drilled them out to 1/8. It's really not a hard job. You can buy the ported fittings if you want, but it's not a hard job to do. All I had to do was basically, so you pulled my turbo mouthpiece, as you can see, cold side pipe, Y bridge, and then the AC compressor. Then you got pretty good access to both fuel rails. And then you just need I think a 17mm wrench to bust these loose, and then a 7/8 socket to get the fittings actually out. And just put them in a vise, drill them out 1/8, and then you may hit them with compressed air or something. Make sure you get all the shavings out. You don't want to leave them in, and then you just put them back in. Pretty simple job. Hopefully this will solve any fuel flow issues that I might have in the future. As of now, CP3 is still stock injectors. Everything seems to check out pretty good with those. And we'll cross that bridge when I get there, and if I ever have any problems. But I figured I'd do a quick recap of what I got going on, and in case anybody else might want to be interested in doing the same thing. Also, you'll have to do a return hose, your fuel return hose. I bought a barbed fitting 1/8 to 1/4 barbed fitting off of Amazon, and instead of piecing together the metal pieces, cutting them up that come off the test port, I just run a hose. Less connections. It seemed like a better idea to me. 5/16 hose, and then you just route it over to this T right here. All this is your return fuel line. But it's pretty simple to do. All right, stay tuned for more videos.